In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new task in Evernote. Whether you're using Evernote to manage work projects, personal to-dos, or study notes, learning how to quickly add tasks is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process, step by step, so you can start turning your ideas into actionable items right inside Evernote. First, make sure you're signed into your Evernote account in your web browser. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation bar, which usually includes options like Notes, Notebooks, and other sections. In that same area, you'll find the Tasks section. Go ahead and click on Tasks in the left sidebar. This will open the dedicated Tasks view where you can see all of your existing tasks and create new ones. Now that you're on the Tasks page, look for the option that says New Task. This is typically located near the top of the task list or in a prominent area of the screen. Click on New Task to start creating a brand new item. When you do this, Evernote will open a small input field where you can describe what you need to get done. Next, type in your task. This is where you want to be as clear and specific as possible. Instead of writing something vague like project, try something more descriptive, such as review project proposal for client, or prepare meeting agenda for Friday. Clear wording makes it much easier to understand what the task is when you come back to it later. You can also use consistent phrasing, like starting tasks with action verbs such as review, call, draft, or email. This helps your to-do list feel more focused and actionable. Take a moment to double check what you've typed. Make sure it accurately reflects what you need to do and doesn't rely on details you might forget later. When you're happy with the task description, it's time to save it. Finally, click on Create Task. Once you select this option, Evernote will add your new task to your task list. You should now see it appear alongside any other tasks you've already created. From here, you can come back later to mark it as complete, add more details, or organize it further using Evernote's other features. And that's all you need to do to create a new task in Evernote. Open the Tasks section from the left sidebar, click New Task, type your task, and then click Create Task to save it.